Righto, so this is just a very quick introduction into the Blender interface, just how you can move around an object. So you can see when you first start up, you will have what's called a cube mesh in the center there, and you can probably see on the left we have a camera, and the distance there we have a light. Now, because we're going to be designing graphics for Unity, for a game, we don't need the light or the camera. So to select things, by default it's a right click. So if I just right click on the light, you can see it selects it, it goes orange, and then pressing X or delete on my keyboard will bring up the delete, and just click on that to remove it. And similarly with the light, if I right click on it, it goes orange, X, and then click delete. Okay, so let's have a look at this cube. Now, to move around it, it's quite useful to be able to zoom in and out and pan and so on. So the first thing is on your mouse, if you have a scroll wheel, just scroll forward and it takes you in like so. In fact, if you keep going in, it will take you inside the shape. And if you scroll back, it brings you out. If you want to rotate around the shape, you can just press the scroll wheel and then just drag. And you can see I'm dragging to the right. If I drag back to the left, drag down and drag up, and so I can actually move around the shape, and that is all while holding down the scroll wheel. Then finally, if you want to pan left and right, in other words, if you find that the object's not center on your screen, if you hold down the shift key and then press the scroll wheel, you can move left and right and up and down. You can move the whole object around. So just holding down the shift key, press the scroll wheel, and now I'm moving. Okay, so that's just a quick start. So we can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel. We can press the scroll wheel to rotate, and if we hold down shift and then use this and then press the scroll wheel down, we can move around.